Alright, today I'm going to talk about how to create a simple and quickly 16 by 16 LED display matrix, a pixel art display matrix that can be used in with materials that could be simply sourced from the market. Okay, so I've tried to use minimal 3D printing materials and what you can get outside in general in stores. So I'll start about the end goal is to build something like this, and I'll first go through the materials that I used for building things like this. Currently in all of this process there is no soldering, there is only one 3D printing material, 3D printed material, and that's it. So I'll start with the standard LED 16 by 16 pixel matrix grid. The size of this roughly stands about 16 by 16 centimeter. This is one of the main material. What I've done here is I've removed these two wires completely from the grid so that I use less space as possible. It created some problems in fitting and other things later on. What is this? This is a simple box frame that I've got from the typical photo frame shop. I've gotten it customized, asking that I want the inside of the box frame to be exactly 18 centimeter. And this is the back of the frame. It's a standard photo frame shop with a fitted shop. I've also gotten a hole done here with a simple screwdriver or a knife. Then this material that you see here, it's a light diffusion sheet that I found from an acrylic shop. Again, this is laser cutted from the acrylic shop also. They didn't charge me anything for cutting part. This is roughly a little bit 3 mm lesser than 18 by 18 centimeter. So this is somewhere around 17.7 centimeter. Then this is the 3D printed grid. The link of the 3D print file I'll share in the link. I'll share in the description below. This is a simple 3D printed grid. It's a 3 mm height and then with some grooves in the middle to well fit into the LED matrices. I got this custom designed because I always found that the designs out there in the market was very thick, very high, and it costed me a lot. I played around with different height of these matrices and I found that 3 mm is something that does a job very well with minimum less material used. Then I have a standard ESP32. I've used jumper cables here. This is the ESP32 chip with a simple USB power matrices. In order to reduce, I felt that if you just use the USB-C power directly, it works. So I didn't bother much. I used it for a few days, and many days it didn't. I didn't see any power surge or any issue in the use of the policy. Here I've done some standard connection to a 5-volt pin, a ground pin, and a G2 pin, data line G2 pin here, and then I will use this to connect it to the LED matrices later on. Now I'll start assembling these. Now these are the pieces. These are the only 5 pieces needed, and with a power adapter, of course. One more thing I want to call out is that I've used these support system. I've just cut it out and pasted these support so that the LED matrices doesn't go down or shifts down due to gravity and when you try to place it. So let me try to put these pieces together and see how it looks overall. There is nothing much to do, so I'll start with this. So I'll put this LED matrix here. I will put the wire outside of this hole so that it goes from here to here. This is it. Then I'm going to put this 3D printed matrix grid. Let me just figure out what is the right size. So this is somewhere around this. Let me just check here. Yeah, okay. So you put this way. You'll figure out it just fits about well. So this is how you put it here. That's mostly it. Once you see this is going to fit it very comfortably here. And then all you have to do here is take this box frame and put this somewhere around here and try to see if it fits well. There is some juggling and other things you'll need to do, but this is fine. Once this is all done, let me find to put these box frames so that I can clip it on like this. I will not try to hurt my nails here, and I'll just put 2 of these pins. Once this is done, I just need to connect these ESP232s. I've already configured these ESP32, installed the WLED here, and these are already configured with 16 by 16 2D matrix configuration. So I'm just going to try to connect it to. So the blue one goes to the red connection, and the white one goes to the middle one, and the black one is a data cable. So this is how it should go. Okay. These details are there. I'm sure that there are various more connection, but I'll put this up in a written documentation somewhere so that it's easier to refer. Now once this is all done, I hope that I'll connect the power here. Once this is all done, you just connect the power, and I think it should work. Yes. So this is now configured, and the LED matrix is your own personalized pixel display matrix is working. It costed me very cheap because I try to make 5 pieces at a time also. But single piece also you should be able to make it by somewhere within $20 very easily, and you could try to give it to your friends or family, and that's about it. Sorry, this is my first video. I'll not try to edit it, just crop few things here and bit, and I hope this video helps everyone to create their own pixel matrices easily. All right.